If you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the SQL interview question which might get asked in your upcoming interview. So like the question is we have to determine the leave balance based on the employee experience. So we have employee ID, first name, salary, department ID, and hire date. So on the basis of that, first what we have to do, we have to find the experience and we have to decide on the basis of that. Like if the employee is more than 30 years of experience, in a year he could utilize a 30 leaves or like 15 leaves, 20 leaves, like that we can categorize. So how we will do that? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find the experience. So for that, what we will do, we will use the date diff function, and in the date diff function we will utilize the higher date. First we will give year because we want in year, then we will give the higher date, and we will use the system date. So system date and time. So this way we have find as experience. So exp. So we have find the experience. Now what we will do, we will take this as in with a statement. We can do in single statement as well, but we are take I'm taking a temp table with table one. We will just give this, and then again we will use the select a star from table one. So let's check it's correct or not. So I think we have to give the as a statement as no, it's running. So what we will do, we will write a case statement over here. So first of all, we will take the employee ID. So we will take that. Then we will take first name, and we will take the experience. So exp. After that, what we will use the case statement. So case when experience is greater than 30 and experience is less than 20, right? So greater than 20 and less than 30. So that will be, or like we can use greater than 20. That's it. So we will give the only one statement greater than 20. So we will keep this as of now, and just will use this greater than 20 or 30. Then leave balance would be 30 days. Okay, in a year. Then we will use when experience is greater than 20 and less than 30. So then we will use 25 leave. Else 20 leave, and we have to give and as leave balance. So if we'll run this, we could see like those who have the experience more than 30, it's taking the leave balance as 30. Those who have like less than 30, so they are like getting as a 25, and who have the lower than that, then they will be into the like